So students, as you know that in the previous chapter I explained the topics, and that topics was related with the Excel, and I discussed the formulas, I discussed the ranges, I discussed the many terms which you use in Microsoft Excel if you do calculations. But in this chapter we will discuss about charts in Excel. You know, charts in Excel. Okay. Okay, students. So
Yes, sir.
okay, so why we should use charts? Basically, if you think, Jasvi, that if any data you will get in the pictorial form, then then that understanding for just keeping it in your mind for future is very easy. That means it can be saved to your mind very easily if you see any data in the pictorial form. Am I right? Or if any teacher explain, or any teacher if you explain by picture, by showing diagram, by doing practical, so I think that will be easy, and it will be kept in mind for a long time. But if anyone explain
Yes,
numerically, then that numericals are not easy to keep in the mind for a long time. Is it clear? And
yes,
next thing students, or just see, if someone showing, suppose you have a big number of data like 10, 10 20-year uh, runs of Sachin Tendulkar, and someone will ask you, please tell me the highest runs in which year Sachin gets, that means achieves highest runs. Which year was the highest runs of the Sachin? So it's not easy to find out. You will just go from top to bottom, then you will find. But if someone make this in pictorial form, then you just watch the picture and immediate you can give the answer. Is it clear? Clear to you?
yes.
So students, that's why the charts in Excel are very important. What?
Nothing, sir.
This is the reason charts are very important in Microsoft Excel. So first one is components of a chart. What are the components of a chart? What are the components of a chart? So first one is chart area. What is chart area? So student, chart area includes all the areas and objects in the chart. That means the complete area. I will show you with the practical also. Let me write the theory first. Chart area is includes chart area includes all the area and objects in the chart. Let me make the chart first one to you. One. Then after that, just increase this. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Just increase this. I'm sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then just select one and increase like this. So these are the data, these are the marks, and if I make the table for this column chart, just see here, column chart basically students, this will represent the values, and here the some data are not, basically it represent uh, the category. You know the category means in which category you are belong, in which category. So this x-axis basically categories belongs, that's why it is showing by numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. The data is not showing this one. So here should be basically this data, and it is not showing because this is showing the numbers. Okay, so what I was wanted to show you, this basically I will discuss this one key, how you can add this 1 2 3 by these numbers. So when this will come, basically this is come to the second class. In the second class, when I will move ahead charts in Excel, just to see to you, this complete area, is called, what is called, chart area. What I have written, students? Chart area. Okay, is it clear to you? Chart area includes all the area and
Yes,
object,
sir.
all the areas of the objects in the chart. So this complete area, this complete, if you select like this, so this complete area is called chart area. Next heading is, today I will discuss only the basic parts, so that's why I do not want to explain more and more concept. Next one is category access. CATEGORY, category access. Category access are axis or x-axis. Just see the concept, x-axis. That was the problem. X-axis is the horizontal axis of the chart. So students, why the problem was occurring? Let me show you. AXIS. Why the problem was occurring? Because category axis or x-axis, the horizontal axis of the chart. So this x-axis is called the category axis, and you are plotting the numbers over here. Are you understanding this one? Students, are you understanding? This is category axis.
Yes, sir.
X-axis is called category axis, and you are plotting the values. That's why it was creating a problem. So, but we can add the values also, but by in the different ways. So how you can add the values, we will discuss it later when we will move to that topic. Next one is value access. Value AXIS. What are value access? So student, value access are y-axis is the vertical axis used to plot the value. It is located at the left side. So as I student told to you, what I told to you, this is value axis. So that's why the value is plotted very nicely. Is it clear to you? Clear to you or not? Students, is it clear to you? Please tell me.
Yes, sir.
Suppose if I write here, just see here, Hindi, English, Math, Science, CI, Science, Social Science, Art, Computer, and select it and go to insert, make a column chart. Then see here, you are getting the right output. Are you getting Hindi, English, Math, Science, Social Science, Art? Are you getting the right output? Are you getting? And these are the numbers 1 2 3. So Hindi got this one, 0 above to this one, and 1 2 3 4 5. This is more than 10,000. So this is column to just above to 10,000. Next 2 3 4 5 6. So this is more than 20,000. So this is above. Are you able to see all the things or not? Are you able to see, Ojasvi?
Yes, sir.
So are you seeing
Yes,
this?
sir.
This is getting the right result, Hindi, because this is category axis. Okay. That's why the values are not added to here. But I can add the values when we will move the practical things, then I will do it. Okay. Okay.
Yes. Yes, sir.
So I think you can understand why this was having the problem. Next one, uh, data series. What are the data series? So data series are the bars, slices, or other elements that to the data values. So student, data series are the bars, slices, or other element that show the data value. That means here who shows you the data values? Who shows the data values? Can you tell me? Can you tell me who shows you the data values? This one, this pillar, can you see the, can you show the data values or not? Tell me.
Yes.
So this is called data series. Okay. So these are the called data series. So data series are the bars, slices, or other elements that shows the data values. If there are multiple data series in the chart, each will have the different color or style. So we have the only single data values. These are, so that's why we have only single color. I think your concept is going to be strong about the Excel. You are getting na? You are having only one color.
Yes.
That's why you are having only one values. Is it clear? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Next one is category name. Category name. What is this? Oh, category name are the labels which are displayed on the X and sorry
X and Y axis.
so X and Y axis.
Axis.
Right. So category. This is category name. Category name means which which appears on
Which
X
are
and
labels?
labels. Absolutely right. So you know that if I give some labels to this one, this this number, and I give this label to this number, so that labels are called what called?
Category name.
Category names. So I think these are the enough for today's class. So your this concept is clear or not? Tell me just on this thing.
Clear, sir.
Correct.
Yeah.
Chart area, category axis, value axis, data series, category
Yes,
name,
sir.
until category name. And next topic is I will explain more component, and also I will explain how you can add here the values. How you can add the values to the x-axis. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So thank you, students, and you must watch the videos also. Yes.
After completing this third chapter, then you will give the question answer.
After completing this chapter, I will discuss the question answer of both the chapters. Both, because this complete,
Okay, sir.
because some parts is remains in Excel, na? Because these are both are related to each other.
Yes, sir.
Both
Yes.
both chapters are related. That's why I will tell you the exercise question one by one. So how was the today's class, students?
Nice, sir. Fantastic. Excellent.
Excellent. So did you understand everything? about
sir.
basically today was only theoretical part, components of chart.
Yes, sir.
And I have just shown to you the y values and the x axis is the component part, and this y axis is the value part, and this is called data series. And if you have more than one values, that means many values, then you will get in different colors. Okay.
Yes,
So,
sir.
so thank you, students. I will share this
Yes,
video.
sir.
I will share this video in the group. You must watch this also. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.